People, the oddest thing just took place. I approached the traffic light and it said red. Stopped. A message come in. I'm just quickly check that message here. People, you see as me I go to check it, I feel a sharp sitting right between my middle finger and my ring finger. I said, Jesus Christ, what that pain shoot go straight up in my shoulder, go up in my jaw. I have to turn on all of the light them in the car. All the light on the phone I have to turn on. Tell me why hours a night, you know. Hours a night when this a bee are supposed to sleep. Oh, I'm reaching a Sparks car. Look how much tree, look how much flowers, look how much plant out there. Why him decide for coming in my car come sting me? Who send that bee? Alright, look on this now. Earlier morning tomorrow you would have work, you know. So why you do out of your bed at this hour now? Just for come sting Sparks. Eh? Who send you? And him a go on like Egyptian, you know? Him nah let go. Hours a night? No, seriously, what am I do ya? Who send that bee here for come sting me, father?